Hi class, I just want to go over the checkpoints with you and how to access your checkpoints so it's clear for everyone. Here we have as you open up your CPM ebooks on your iPad, you will come to this page here and you'll see the chapter numbers, chapter 1 through chapter 10. And then you'll also see the reference. And when you click, you can see the little reference here, right? See the reference tab? Well, you click on that reference and it'll open up a list of things that are really useful for you. And I want to focus on the top one. As you can see at the top of that, right here, we have our checkpoints. And we're going to click on there. And this will take us to our checkpoint page. And at the top, we have checkpoint 1 through checkpoint 9. I encourage you to read what the checkpoints are. So as you open up the note and it gives us the checkpoint topics, numbers 1 through number 9. And this is stuff, as I've said many times, that I may not be covering in class, but it's fundamental to your math. You really need to work on this. So you go on, right now we're on CP1, checkpoint 1, and we have answers to the problems from chapter 161. So you can see here's a chapter 161. So if we go to chapter 1 and we find the 61st problem, you will see the problems and here are the answers. If you don't know how to do that, it walks you through all the examples, how to add and subtract fractions that are negatives and where the denominator is not the same, how to compute numbers with all these different signs and decimals, and how to compute multiplying and dividing mixed numbers with different signs. Okay, these are the 3 examples. And as you look at this page, it really walks you through all the steps. So I really encourage you to look at these checkpoints. And here we have problems for you to practice with all the answers, okay, to those problems. So it gives you plenty of practice to work on this. Like I said, this is something that we'll be doing throughout the year. And this is how you access your checkpoints. And again, just to finish this up, we see these are the questions to problem 1-61. So if we go in chapter 1, and we look for the 61st problem. Here we're on 24, scroll down, it might be here. Yeah, so here we have at the end of chapter 1, we have usually they're always in the review and preview, we have the 61st problem. We see the checkpoint right here. We see a link to the checkpoint sections, including a link for the homework, and here we have the checkpoint problems, okay? So, and then there's another link that you can click on here. And so this is, if you click on the checkpoint materials, like I just did, it takes you to where we were before. All right? So there's 2 ways of doing that. One is clicking on the reference tab and going straight to checkpoints. Okay, the other is simply as we're working through chapters, you will see that there's a checkpoint for each chapter. I hope that is clear.